Hey guys, Old School Customized Raj, me and the babe here. Well, we finally made it to a car show here in San Antonio, Texas. San Antonio shoe store, right?
Yeah, SAS.
Yeah. So this is the first annual car show. So we're gonna come check out some cool hot rods. So I hope you enjoyed the show. Let's get to it. Yeah, maybe. We'll go this way. We'll go that way.
Yeah, we could go like this. Sorry with that. Oh, look at that Camaro floating.
It's not Camaro.
That's not a Camaro.
Nah, that's Dodge.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay, watch your finger.
Yeah.
That was cool. That's that one.
Yeah.
This one's better.
Yeah. That's some push rods.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
We already put it. It's okay. Do we have to go over there, babe? Because they're going to put entry on the top.
like that truck, man. Well, guys, I had to come check this truck out. There's a nice one right here. I believe it's a 55 or 57, I'm not too sure. I love the color combination. I believe it's tan and maybe an aqua blue. Those wheels too, man, brought it out with that tan color. I think it's a Fleetwood Chevy truck. I'm not sure. These trucks almost look like the Apache trucks, but it's real nice. Yeah, I love that color combination, that's for sure. I like the way they did that grill too. They added that red into that Chevrolet logo. That's real cool, man. I like this truck, real nice. Well, we met a new friend here at the car show. Her name's Alice. She owns this beautiful 2000 Plymouth Prowler, and she says she fixes her cars, which is cool. We need more gearhead women out there. But she said she doesn't park this car. She drives it. She drives the hell out of it. She said I already put over 100,000 miles on it, which is cool. And this is a nice little vehicle here. And she also won an award, and we also exchanged phone numbers for future contacts. Congratulations, Alice.
Right there, awesome. What's your name? Mosey. And what kind of car did you have? 1965 Chevy Impala. Yeah, Impala. Can't beat that Impala. Here you go. Just take a picture. Awesome. Yeah. All right, excellent. We're going to do another award here. This is another SA Rides award. We have two of them. This goes to number 60. 60. Woo! Yay, there we go. And your car is?
A 2000 Plymouth Prowler.
And your name?
Alice Estrada.
All right, Alice. Woo, a Prowler. What a good one. All right, congratulations. All right, we got another award here yet. We got more to go. Oh, you hand-mated this one. Boy, this looks really cool. I like it. Tell me a little bit about this award.
It's all hand-painted, candy paint job by myself. This is the Baddest Build Award for Best of the Best, and it goes out to number 17.
17, you get a second award. Woo, the Baddest Build Award. 17, and he's back. Here we go. Award number 2, come on up and take a picture. Best of the best, the baddest build. Awesome, awesome. All right, now we're doing the San Antonio Shoe Award. Come on up, Rick. Rick, tell us a little bit about this award.
Well, with this award, we knew as soon as she drove in here, she was the coolest one here. So our winner is number 35, Virginia. Come on, Virginia. So you get the first annual SAS Choice Award, and we got you a free pair of shoes with it too, okay? All right?
Awesome. Congratulations, that's awesome.
Well, I was having a good time, but things turned upside down for me. Supposedly the local weatherman was filming the car next to mine, ends up breaking my mirror without paying attention to what he was doing. And the only reason why I found out that he broke my mirror because my girl saw the whole thing. This guy didn't have no decency to at least let me know he broke the mirror. That's it. I asked him, what are you going to do to fix this? He says, well, send me the bill. I said, nah, you're going to give me money for it right now. That's the only way you're going to make it right. So in the near future, when you get close to someone's hot rod or low ride or whatever, make sure you pay attention to what you're doing, man. Because things won't turn out good for you. Well, guys, this show is almost going to end. But you know what? It was a great turnout. Hopefully they bring it back next year. This was at the San Antonio shoe store. And like I said, I had a great time. Even though I had my little fender bender with my mirror, but that's okay, I can get that fixed. The cool thing about it is I got to see some family members. That was awesome. Well, guys, we finally got back from a car show. Man, it was just too damn hot, but there was a lot of hot rods. So I hope you enjoyed this car show, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, take care, man. Laters.